Hello everyone.
Welcome back to our channel.
As you can see, ChatGPT has only been out for a very short time, but it has created a global seismic. You may still hear this name now, but surely in a few days, it will be as famous as iPhone and Google. Because experts say that the birth of ChatGPT is a turning point for the world. This is causing some concerns about the future of Google, where ChatGPT can replace or at least compete directly with Google Assistant and Google Search. That's also what made the leadership of the giant Google turn on a red alert with all employees when they realized the terrible threat from ChatGPT. So what is ChatGPT? Let's find out right here. Surely you will have to admit that the power of a computer is unimaginable if you have a library with 1 million books corresponding to billions of lines, and now you want to find information for 1 million words of that book. How long did it take you? You probably won't find it all your life. But with a computer, it only takes a few seconds. More closely, before, we had to do karaoke by each page in the list of songs to find the code of our favorite song. Now you need to enter its name or a certain word in the name. Even one verse can find the exact song within 1 second. However, if these things make you think that computers are so helpful and make our lives so easy and wonderful, in fact with ChatGPT we'll find everything is too old. With its high applicability and the ability to process millions of billions of calculations per second, people are still looking for ways to maximize the power of computers. If in the past it was great to find a result in billions of information, now people want even more. Without asking, we want a computer that knows what we want and provides us with the necessary information. We want something that can think on its own like a human, rather than waiting for people to order it to know what to do. In the race to develop artificial intelligence, there are thousands of companies around the world competing with each other, including a company called OpenAI that has made a difference. OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, founded by Armin, an Israeli student who dropped out of Stanford University, and backed by billionaire Elon Musk, is also playing an important role in this competition. There are also a number of other characters, and the interesting thing is that OpenAI is now created for non-profit purposes. The creators of this organization have decided not to do it for money, but they want to create technologies that can serve people. And one of the outstanding products of OpenAI is ChatGPT, a computer brain with artificial intelligence. It can learn and synthesize many information sources, read many books and newspapers, and create its own language. So what can ChatGPT do? You will probably be amazed at what it shows. A journalist tried the ChatGPT to write an explanation of a new technology concept, and it was done in a few minutes. After reading its article, the journalist was amazed at the presentation of the argument and professionalism on par with a college essay. He tried to send the article to the editorial board, and they published the article right after and helped the journalist earn $615. Another person is a programming teacher who asked ChatGPT to write a lesson plan for him, and in just a few minutes, he finished writing a lesson plan with high quality. Just need to edit a few sentences to be able to give a lesson. Even easier to understand than some real teachers' lesson plans. Especially ChatGPT can understand and be fluent in almost all kinds of programming languages, which means it is the most knowledgeable programming teacher in the world. Not to mention it can also communicate with users in hundreds of languages around the globe with difficult requirements such as writing a 1,000-word essay or summarizing a 1,000-word article into a short paragraph. ChatGPT can do well. The articles created by it are evaluated as having their own depth, a clear layout, and a tight argument. You can ask him to write a lease, a job application, an email report to his boss, or explain a legal opinion. He can do well. If for a long time, you need to search for information with Google and you get the display of thousands of web pages for you to read yourself, now with ChatGPT does not do that anymore. It will aggregate the data on the internet and interpret itself into a full article that is easy to understand for you instead of having to go and read hundreds of articles to find the information yourself. That's why Google leaders had to turn on urgent warnings and meet to find solutions to deal with this artificial intelligence. As you can see, the world is changing very fast. Google may be popular today, but maybe tomorrow ChatGPT will take the throne and Google will die like Yahoo, so if it doesn't change, it will die. With the advent of ChatGPT, it is likely that professionals such as teachers, journalists, or those who work in information synthesis and data analysis will lose their jobs. Even if you need to flirt later but don't know how to text, you can still ChatGPT for your crush. In short, ChatGPT has a lot of potential and we will wait and see how it will revolutionize the future. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you at the next one. Don't forget to subscribe us for more.